Hi, welcome to Java Minds. In this video, I will show you how to write a simple Java program to calculate the sum of two numbers. First, we will create a class and name it sum. You can name it anything, but it should not start with any digit, and you cannot use spaces. This is the editor where we will write our program. First, press Ctrl+A to select all and press backspace to delete the existing text. Then, we will write public class sum to define our class. The keyword public makes the class accessible from anywhere, and class declares the class. Next, we will write public static void main, string args. This is the main method where the program starts execution. The keyword public allows access from anywhere. Static means the method can be called without creating an instance of the class. Void indicates that the method does not return any value, and main is the name of the method. Inside the main method, we will declare two integer variables a and b using the keyword int. You can also use double if you want to store a decimal number. I am giving a the value of 5 and b the value of 10. You can assign any values to these variables. We will declare another variable c to calculate the sum of a and b. Now, to print the sum, we need to write system.out.println. The sum is plus c. The system.out.println method prints the specified message to the console. The s in system should be capitalized. Anything inside the quotation marks will be printed as it is. And plus c will print the value of c. Finally, close the parentheses and add a semicolon. Our sum program is done. Let's compile it. If it shows no syntax errors, let's run the program. You will see it showing the sum is 15, which is the sum of 5 and 10. It means there is no error. In the same way, we can calculate the difference. I am declaring d as b minus a since b is greater than a. To print the difference, we will write system.out. Print ln. The difference is plus d. You can see it shows 5, which is the difference between 10 and 5. Now, let's do multiplication. I am declaring an integer variable m as a *b. The asterisk symbol means multiplication in Java. To print the product, we will write system.out.println. The product is plus m. It shows 50. Thank you for watching my video. Do like it and subscribe to my channel.